have a nice day to all and welcome back to my channel Dith Creation. Today I came up with another brand new tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a beautiful floral wedding cake box. So stay tuned this video. For this we need a cake box base. In the first part of this video I taught how to make this box. So if you haven't watched that video yet, watch it. First I'm taking a 5.5 by 5.5 cm mirror board. Now I'm applying the glue. Then connect it like this. Now I am taking 5 by 5 cm white cardstock and applying the glue. Then connect it to the top part like this. Here I am taking some flower and leaves die cuts. Now I am taking big flower die cut and give it a 3D shape like this. Then I take a smaller one and do the similar way. After that apply the glue on other one and connect this to top of it. Then I attach a half pearl to center point of this flower. So flower is ready. Next, I put the leaf die cuts on top of the box and see how it fits. Now I will cut extra parts using my scissors. Then apply the glue and attach them to top of the box like this. Now I connect the flower to it. So my floral wedding cake box is ready. This is my beautiful floral wedding cake box. So I hope this video useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day to all and see you next time. Bye bye.